Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you are having a fantastic day. It's a little cool here. I think we're gonna have to turn the heat up in the house. Today I have my Look Fantastic for November 2020. So let's get in here and see what I've got. I do not think I have seen this box unboxed yet, so it should all be a surprise to me. And that is so exciting. I so seldom have them all be complete surprises. This box was gifted to me for my review, but as always, you will get my 100% honest review. Look Fantastic is a beauty box. It comes out monthly and it is $19 if you purchase it monthly. If you purchase it for 3 months, it comes down to $18 per month. For 6 months, it comes down to $17 per month, or for a year, it comes down to $16 for a month. Here's the beauty though. If you purchase a year from them, you're only committing to a year. You're not paying for a year. You still pay it monthly. So it would be $16 a month for a year. I love that they give you the discount and still let you pay it out month over month. But here's the cool part. The link that they have given me for a discount code this month for you guys is if you commit to that year, so it would be $16 per box for a year, you get your first month for $1. So I will put the link below. If you see this and it's something you think you have any interest in, it's down there. All right, enough with the talkie. Let's see what we've got. When we take the lid off, and this is what our pamphlet looks like. Oh my goodness, look how much, can you guys tell how many pages that is? This is a really cool thick booklet. We're gonna look into that in a minute. And let's open this up and see what we've got. One of the things that I really like about this box is it's British based. So it's usually brands that we don't get in every other box that we receive over here. So that is what this month looks like. Set it right here, and we're going to look at this really awesome thick book. I mean, it must give us some really good details. So it says the Look Fantastic Beauty Box. It's the November edit, the Firecracker edition. That's kind of interesting. So that is what that looks like. And just for the record, on the back, we have a sneak peek. I know, I should save it for the end, but I just can't help myself. And it says it is the Avant Propanediol Age Radiance Brightening Eye Final Touch. That sounds really interesting. And it has a 98-pound value. Wow. Avant is one of those things that we get in subscription boxes over here that I've talked to some of my British friends about, and they're always like, we love the brand. They love it, and they can't believe that we get it in our boxes and we think that it's something that they just use to fluff up the prices, because this is apparently a brand they really value over there. And this says, fight signs of aging with this luxuriant Avant eye cream infused with hyaluronic acid and seawater to deliver long-lasting moisture and combat the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and dark circles, and eye bags for an overall more youthful glow. Okay, well, enough about the spoiler. We want to know what's in this box. Okay, I'm back. You didn't even know I was missing. I just noticed when I went to camera, I had forgotten to put on my rings. Okay, and the front page of this explains the whole Firecracker edit. We are in the thick of autumn, and our Firecracker Edition beauty box is here to help you embrace these colder evenings and have some cozy nights in. Your November box has been specially curated with 6 beauty products to help indulge your senses. Okay, well, let's see what they are. Right on top, I have a 3-INA The Longwear Lipstick. And that is what that looks like. And it says that I have color 502. All right. This is the one that I always, it looks like a sideways M, but I think they say 3-INA, or is it Mina? Maybe they'll tell us in the book. Ooh, that is pretty. It says the 3-INA The Longwear Lipstick shades 502, 505, and 508. And I got 502, and by the way, I just noticed on the bottom it says made in Italy. Get a perfect pout with the help of this 3-INA lipstick, which has a super lightweight formula, a doe foot applicator for easy application, and highly pigmented color. This liquid lipstick dries down to a smudge-proof, comfortable finish that will last all day. Let's swatch it and see how we like the color. It is just a straight doe foot. Oh, it's very moussey. It's one of the moussey ones. Oh, it's very nice. It almost gets wetter. I know, I'm playing with it down here. The more you spread it out, it almost, the moussiness dissipates and it becomes more liquid. That is just a great color for me. I like that a lot. And for the record, the prices are not in this book, so I will try and let you know here. Okay, number 1, success. That is even a great color for me. All right, reaching in next, I have a Philip Kingsley Weightless Conditioner Bodybuilding. I think that I just, nope. Nope. I was gonna say, I think I just got a Philip Kingsley conditioner in my Look Fantastic special edition box, but no, it wasn't. It was Philip B. This is Philip Kingsley, and it is the Bodybuilding Weightless Conditioner. That is awesome. So that is what that looks like, and it is 20 ml, which is 0.67 fluid ounces. So this is apparently a variation, just like you could have gotten a different color in the Lippy. In the Philip Kingsley, you could either get the Pure Color Frizz Fighting Gloss, the Bodybuilding Weightless Shampoo. Yep, the Bodybuilding Weightless Shampoo and Conditioner. I was like, I don't think I got both. Yes, I did. Okay, well, I'm glad I read this then. So we have the Philip Kingsley Shampoo and Conditioner, both in bodybuilding, which is fantastic for me with my thin hair. Fantastic. Let's see what else the paperwork says. These Philip Kingsley products will leave your hair feeling soft, silky, and shiny. It says if you had gotten the Pure Color Gloss that it is a conditioning heat protectant that improves color and vibrancy, whilst the Bodybuilding Duo of shampoo and conditioner is infused with a cocktail of beneficial ingredients to provide long-lasting body and bounce. All right, well, I'm happy to try this. Let's see what they smell like though. I put a lot of stock in what shampoo and conditioners smell like, so we'll try the shampoo and then we'll assume that's the scent. Oh, it's just very nice and clean. It smells kind of like you would expect a shampoo to smell. It's not florally really or fruity. It's just a very clean scent. Yeah, I would be totally fine with my hair smelling like that. All right, reaching in next, I have a little pencil, and it is a Lord & Berry Dore Eye Pencil. And it's just, I would assume, like a deluxe sample. And I don't know if that is going to be the color. I have to tell you, I'm really kind of hoping it is. It is. I love that. That is going to be so nice for the holidays instead of just always a black liner. That is so cool. Lord & Berry Line Shade Glam Eye Pencil Bronze Gold. This Lord & Berry eye pencil is comfortable on the eye, intense in pigment, and incredibly long-lasting, in a gorgeous gold bronze shade to make your eyes pop. The fine point allows for precise application, whilst its creamy formula can be easily blended. All right, well, let's see. I'm just gonna put this right up here. It is nice. See how easy? I did it in short strokes like it said to do. That's really pretty. I like that when I look at it close up, it has, as I continue, I'm building it a little bit. As I continue to build it, it almost takes on, I want to say that a slightly brown feel, but it's the bronze part in it. But I like that because it's going to make it visible. See how you're going to be able to have that on as a liner, but you're still going to see it, but it's got the gold to it. That is, I'll put it back here in case it's by chance better. That is so pretty. Yes, I will definitely use that. They are knocking this one out of the park. All right, let's see what's next. We have a Polar Ice Pure Micellar Water with Arctic Cotton. I don't know what that means, but that is what that looks like. And in case I haven't mentioned it and you don't know, Look Fantastic is like, it's a big cosmetics store online, lookfantastic.com, like a Sephora or an Ulta. It is huge, and this is their beauty box. So just so you know. This says Polar Ice Pure Micellar Water with Arctic Cotton. Harnessing the powers of Arctic cotton, this cleanser removes even the most stubborn makeup to bring moisture and hydration to the skin without overdrying or bringing uncomfortable tightness. All right, well, it has a little flip top. I just love that. Oh, yep, a couple drops, and it's thin, but it is a little thicker than water. I don't know if you guys can see that running down my hand or not. It feels kind of nice on the back of my hand. It took off, even just rubbing it around a little bit just with my finger, it took off a little bit of the eye pencil. Very, very light scent, almost none at all. Kind of, yeah, it's probably the cotton. You know when you get like the Bath & Body Works or Yankee Candle, anybody's clean cotton version? This smells a little bit like that, but much, much lighter. Yeah, I like that. Definitely trying that. What do we have next? In Transit Camera Close-Up Mask, Moisturizer, and Primer in One. And that's from This Works. I don't know much about This Works. What I do know about them is they make the spray that I spray on my bed most evenings called, I think, Deep Sleep. You would think I would know because it sits on my nightstand. I think it's called Deep Sleep. And it has a real lavendery smell. And I have a body cream from them that I use periodically too with lavender in it, that when you can't sleep, you can put it on, and it's very calming. That's what I know about This Works. And this is the In Transit Camera Close-Up Mask, Moisturizer, and Primer in One. The paperwork says In Transit Camera Close-Up or Perfect Legs Skin Miracle. Interesting. Feel pampered from head to toe with these This Works products. The Perfect Legs Skin Miracle is a lightly tinted serum enriched with vitamin C and E to deliver sun-kissed glow to your body. Your In Transit Camera Close-Up Mask, Moisturizer, and Primer all in one erases signs of fatigue to help your complexion look more radiant. All right, it has the ingredients on here. Let me see how they get that vitamin C before I decide if I'm gonna try this. This has very near the bottom bitter orange oil in it. That's the only thing that off the top of my head, I immediately think vitamin C. So we're gonna go ahead and try this. If by chance it doesn't work for me, I'll just pass it along to a family or friend. So it's just a nice thick cream. Oh, it smells really, they do the most relaxing, scented, they're just calming and mild, but lovely. They do great scents. Yeah, it's just kind of clean, slightly floral. I wouldn't use the word fruity, but maybe a little bit of citrus. It smells good. It feels really nice too. We'll see how it absorbs. It's a little tacky right this second, but I just put it on, so we'll see over the course of the next couple of minutes how it absorbs, because they say it is a mask, a moisturizer, and a primer in one. And the directions say, apply to clean skin, massage until absorbed. For adults only. Avoid contact with eyes. Interesting. Yeah, completely absorbed. Wow, that feels really, really nice. And last but not least, we have the Neobay Natural and Organic Detox Unpolluted, and it is an oxygen light cream. I don't know what that means. We're going to read about it and work it out together. You may know already. I shouldn't say work it out together. You may already know. And this one also looks like it is probably a full-sized product. It says Detox Oxygen Light Cream by Neobay or Nowbay. I'm not sure. Where's it made? Maybe that will help. Valencia, Spain. So what's another Spanish word with A-O? Why am I drawing a complete blank? Neobay. This lightweight face cream provides intense moisture without leaving your face greasy. Formulated with green tea, aloe, and raspberry to regulate your skin's moisture levels and protect it from free radicals. Ideal for all skin types. All right, so it is a 50 ml moisturizer, so I feel confident then that at 1.69 fluid ounces, it is full-sized. Yay! I always want to be like, when I get to the bottom of an ingredients list and it's something that I can use. Okay, put a little bit on the back of this hand, although we are now enjoying the other one on here too. It is just a nice, kind of thick, but not too thick, lotiony cream. It goes on more like a lotion than a heavy cream. Oh, that smells fantastic. My initial takeaway from it when it, is like ocean water. You know what I mean? That kind of salty spray, spa-like scent, like ocean water. That's what it makes me think of. Oh, it smells fantastic. Very light. I mean, I'm putting it on my hand and it feels very lightweight. Very nice. I am getting really lucky with moisturizers lately, and this is a great time of year for that to happen. This, I definitely want to try this. It smells fantastic. It feels incredible on the back of my hand, and I can use all of the ingredients in it. I also just got in my Look Fantastic limited edition box a Wander Beauty Dive-In, which also I can completely use, and it felt amazing on the back of my hand. So I am ready to try both of these. And this is from EcoCert Cosmos Natural. And it says that it is cruelty-free and vegan, 98.78% origin natural. And this is where I always say, okay, but what about that other 1.21%? Nope, 1.22%. I hate when my math lets me down like that. and 13.5% of the total ingredients are from organic farming. So this sounds fantastic. Oh, and it has completely absorbed. And between this and this, the back of my hand, it feels, I would say like a baby's bottom, but this is probably more soft than that. Oh my goodness. It smells great too. Okay, that is my Look Fantastic box. And as you can tell, I am thrilled with it. I can use everything again. I am here to tell you, I have been having more luck. I seem to be able to use more of the products out of the Look Fantastic and the Glossy boxes. I don't know if because the European standards are different than ours. I don't know what it is, but for some reason I can use more of their products and I've just been having better luck with them. Okay, I guess it doesn't really matter why, I'm just glad that it does. So in this box, we got the Neobay Detox Unpolluted Oxygen Light Cream, and that feels and smells fantastic. The In Transit Camera Close-Up Mask Moisturizer and Primer in One from This Works. The 3 Inna or Mina. I really feel like I read somewhere that it says 3 Inna, but they call it Mina. We got this nice longwear lipstick and I got it in 502. It was very pretty. We got the Polar Micellar Water with Arctic Cotton, the Lord & Berry Bronze Gold Eye Pencil, and the Philip Kingsley Shampoo and Conditioner for bodybuilding. I think for a $19 box, that is fantastic. I mean, I don't know the prices now. I'll put the total here for you. I've kind of been telling you the prices all along, but as I tape this, it's a surprise to me. But that seems very worthwhile. I mean, if I love the moisturizer, can you imagine for $19? It seems very worthwhile to me. And the beauty is you can get it down to $16 if you want, which again, if you have any interest, I have the link below. You sign up for a year, you pay monthly, and your first box will be $1. So that is the November box. And we have our December spoiler, which was the Avant Pro Radiance Brightening Eye Final Touch with a 98-pound value, which is fantastic. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. If you have any interest, I will put the Look Fantastic. I just did a special edition box. I'll put a card at the end of this so that you can go over and see that if it's something you have any interest in. I will see you again really soon. Please take care. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out.